Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find an old post on your Facebook profile. First, let's open up our Facebook app and let's go to the menu page by clicking on the menu option at the bottom right. And from here, let's scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Let's go to settings and from here, let's scroll down. And under the Your Activity section, you should be able to see the activity log option. So click on that. From here, let's expand the Your Facebook Activity section by tapping on it. Scroll down and select Manage Posts from here. And on this page, you will be able to see all the interaction you had with your post as well as all the posts you have posted on your profile. To find an old post, you can click on Filters right here at the top left and select the date so we can filter our activity by date. You can then click on Start Date right here and you can set it to the date depending on when you have posted that old post, for example, a few years before, and click on Done at the top right again. And you should be able to see all the posts you have posted within that date. If you don't see it, you can click on the date again and select another date by going to Filters, Date, Start Date, and you can change the end date as well if you don't remember the specific day, and click on Done at the top right again and you should be able to see any activity you have done within those date range. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.